Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm really glad that you stopped by. So now, have you ever seen an awesome photo on Instagram and thought, I wish I could save that? Well, today I'm going to show you on how to download Instagram photos fast and easy. So now let's get into it. So before we start, I just want you to know that Instagram does not allow downloading other people's content directly through the app, so please respect the creator and please don't repost someone else's photo without permission. So you can just only use it for personal use, but please do not repost it without permission. Okay, so the very first thing that we have to do is to use a photo downloader website. So I'm going to share you a website, but first, before we are going to go to that website, let's go look for a photo that we wanted to download first. So let's go here in the Explorer pane. So that we'll be able to see or look for a good photo that we wanted to download. So let's say that we wanted to download this one. So we just have to go on and click this share icon. Again, the share icon in here, and go on and copy link. So now I'm going to share you this website. It is called iGram. So just go on to Google and search for iGram. So actually there are lots of photo downloader sites that you can use, but this is what I'm going to prefer. And now we are here in Instagram downloader. This is an iGram. So here we just have to go on and insert the link. So after inserting the link, we just go and click download. So we are downloading the post, and now we have here the search result. So as you can see, this is the photo that we chose from Instagram, as you can see in here. So let's just go on and download that. So let's just close the ad, and as you can see, the file is now downloaded. So let's open. So if you're going to ask if this one is saved to the gallery, let's try go on and check our gallery. So now, okay, so as you can see in here, it's already downloaded or it's already saved in our gallery. So that's it, you're good to go. So if you don't need any full resolution and you wanted a faster solution for that, you can just take a screenshot of the photo and crop it. So it's very quick, easy, and it really works every time. So you're good to go now, and I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram content. You can also hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. And until next time, take care and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.